Chapter 2. The Inner Planets. The inner planets in our solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. They are the nearest planets to the Sun, and they are made of rocks and soil. Venus, Earth, and Mars have gas around them called atmosphere. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system, and it doesn't have an atmosphere. A planet's atmosphere traps the sun's heat and keeps the temperature warm at night. Mercury is very hot in the daytime because it's the nearest planet to the sun, but it's very cold at night. When the temperature on one half of Mercury is 427 degrees centigrade, the other half is minus 173 degrees. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and the nearest planet to Earth. But it would not be a nice place to visit. Pressure is the force or weight of something on your body. Venus has more gas in its atmosphere than Earth, and all that gas creates pressure. If astronauts visited Venus, the pressure would kill them. In the atmosphere around Venus, a gas called carbon dioxide traps heat from the sun. The temperature on Venus is 462 degrees centigrade. That's hotter than a pizza oven. The sky on Venus is yellow because there are clouds of sulfuric acid. This dangerous chemical can burn metal.
Discover!
Venus turns very slowly on its axis, but it orbits the sun very quickly, so a day is longer than a year on Venus. Earth. Earth is our home, and it's the third planet from the sun. Billions of years ago, Earth was very hot. Later, the planet became cooler and oceans of water formed. Life began in these oceans about 3.5 billion years ago. Earth is a great place for life because it isn't too hot or too cold for liquid water. Plants, animals, and people need liquid water to live, and they also need oxygen. Most of the gas in Earth's atmosphere is nitrogen, but 20.7% is oxygen. A moon orbits a planet and often looks like a small planet. Earth has one moon, but some planets have a lot. Our moon takes 27 days to orbit Earth. Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and Neptune all have moons too. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun, and it has 2 small moons. Mars is smaller than Earth, and it's called the red planet because chemicals make the soil red. Mars has some amazing places. Mons Olympus is a volcano, and it's 25 kilometers high. That's 3 times higher than Mount Everest, the highest mountain on Earth. The Valles Marineris is a huge canyon. It's 10 times longer and 3 times deeper than the Grand Canyon, the biggest canyon on Earth.
Discover!
Some scientists think that there were rivers on Mars in the past. But then the temperature became colder. Now, all the water is ice.